This is going to be part rant and part sharing what I have learned. You see, sometimes on social media, you will find people who will justify why relocating is a bad idea. And I sometimes joke that some of them have tried and failed, and they just resort to speaking ill about relocation. And I agree, relocating is not for everyone. But hey, if you do not have the means, you do not have the wherewithal, don't go about assuming we're all here breaking our backs, we're suffering, we work 10 jobs. Some people are not. Okay, rant over. I have also seen those who, have relocated and they will tell you, oh, the decision is a bad decision and that they wished that they had stayed back in their home country, saying, they cannot make money here. All they make here, they use it to pay bills. And then the popular one is that, oh, you pay a lot of tax and, they're struggling and all that. Let me be honest with you. If you have money problems before relocating, it won't suddenly disappear when you get here. In fact, it will be worse. If you were always spending more than you earn, relocating won't change that. If you didn't budget back home, earning in pounds or in dollars won't magically make you disciplined. If you were living on loans, credit, back in your home country, now you just have access to more credit and higher interest, debt, you would continue. Relocating gives you new opportunities. But if you don't have a new mindset, the opportunities cannot lead to wealth. Those opportunities will just become bigger versions of your old struggles. You will earn more, yeah, but you would also spend more. You will owe more. You will work more. Unless you interrupt that cycle with intentionality. So, what should you do instead? You have to reset your mindset. Understand that being abroad is a privilege. It's not a solution. You have to plan, not just hustle. You have to learn the system, understand how the tax system works, how credit works, how housing works, how pension works. Don't just chase the next job, the next shift. Chase knowledge. Avoid the pressure to prove yourself to anyone. You don't have to show anybody you've made it. It's unnecessary because it will lead you to bad financial decisions. New cars, new phones, endless remittances home. Relax. Wealth is quiet. Start small, grow steady, budget, build an emergency fund. Start investing even if it is £50 per month, if that's all you can do for now. Don't wait until you make it big. It's not about what you earn. It's about what you keep and what you grow. Surround yourself with the right voices. If all your friends are just about work, 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 money flexing, complaining, you will drown in survival mode. Find a community where wealth conversations are normal, not taboo. Moving abroad gives you more tools, but you have to have the correct mindset to convert the opportunities. You have to work on your mindset. You have to show up. You have to make smart choices. You have to build systems that serve you long term. So before you say, relocating is a bad idea, you have to be sure that your file, like my husband would joke, your file, of bad mindsets, bad money management, bad financial decisions are not here with you. You should have left them back in your home country. The moment that file, of all those bad money habits are here with you, you just amplify the problem. There are people who are making it big as immigrants. And I like speaking with those people to learn from them. I did a video where I put together all the things I've learned so far, and I'll link it here. You should watch that video and I'll see you there.